I'm Carl,
And I'm Carolyn.
and we're in Canton, Georgia, at our home. So we like Matt a lot. He was really straightforward. He was on time. They've been very punctual. They've notified us that when they're coming and when they're going to be able to do the roof. And straightforward, excellent salesmanship, no pressure, just tell you the facts and what they can do and what they can't do. And I was really upfront. I like that. We didn't go with other companies is because they didn't guarantee anything. It was just a soft scrub, didn't guarantee that they wouldn't knock all the rocks off the shingles and all that type of stuff. Matt explained the process to me very clearly and explained what would happen and how went up and did a survey of my roof before he gave us any estimate that it could be done and what could be done and what can't be done. So we knew up front where we stood. It was amazing, the difference. I didn't even know my roof was that color.
No, we're more than satisfied. We're really happy we use Guaranteed Roof, and we'd recommend them for anyone.